Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's as crunchy as it is beneficial. Walnuts! Have you ever wondered why these little nuts are often hailed as a superfood? Well, stick around because I'm about to sprinkle some walnut wisdom on you. First off, let's talk about heart health. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Just a handful of these nuts a day can help lower bad cholesterol levels and even reduce inflammation. Pretty amazing, right? Now moving on to brain power. Did you know that walnuts actually look like tiny brains? Coincidence? I think not. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, which are known to improve brain function. Studies have shown that regular consumption can enhance memory and cognitive performance. So, if you're prepping for a big exam or an important meeting, munching on walnuts might just give you that mental edge you need. But wait, there's more. Walnuts are also great for your gut. They contain high amounts of fiber, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps keep things moving smoothly, if you know what I mean. Plus, it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a balanced microbiome. And for those of you looking to shed a few pounds, walnuts can be your best friend. They are high in protein and healthy fats, which help keep you feeling full and satisfied. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks throughout the day. Incorporating walnuts into your diet can be a tasty way to support your weight loss goals. Let's not forget about skin health. The vitamin E in walnuts acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin from harmful UV rays and environmental pollutants. This can lead to clearer, more youthful-looking skin. Who doesn't want that? So how can you add more walnuts to your diet? It's easier than you think. Toss them in your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or even sprinkle them on a salad for a delightful crunch. The possibilities are endless. To sum it up, walnuts are an all-around powerhouse of nutrition. From heart and brain health to weight management and glowing skin, these nuts have got you covered. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up a bag of walnuts. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more health tips and delicious recipes. See you next time.